Alright, KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia cards. Heartbreak Polo 2K5 is going to start out the gold label. I'm actually real excited for this. I think it's going to be a very good product. It'll be a real good product. Okay. It's an interesting way to pack things out. Get one framed auto per box. 1 through 16, guys. 1 through 16, Sean. Checklist for what, Cord? For gold label, it's up. The checklist for gold label is up. So is racing as well. So, all right, Sean's gonna do box 8. All cards do ship out of here, guys. There's one framed autograph per box. You get there's classes. It's kind of like old Fleer where they did like row 1, row 0s and stuff like that for basketball. That is your framed card. So, Matt, did you watch the impeccable break you were in? You did pretty well. You had a pretty big stack I shipped off to you last night. And guys, everything from yesterday and Wednesday is out. Everything from yesterday and Wednesday is out. Alright, we'll do that later. These are nice. Shiny. Alright, we're going to start out with... I think there's some numbered cards in here. These look cool. Miedo rookie. Byung-Ho Park rookie. Seager rookie. We got numbered out of 50. Donnie Baseball. 8 of 50. 8 of 50 Donnie Baseball. Cool looking set. What number did I pass? '71 of 100, David Ortiz. Thank you, Steven. Sorry about that. 71 of 100, David Ortiz. First time opening that, that'll happen. All right, and your framed. Framed card is AJ Pollock, gold frame. Not numbered. AJ Pollock for the Arizona Diamondbacks. Yeah. Nice, Matt. Yeah, you did really well. Alright, there you go, Sean. Sean, let me know if you want to do another one. Got some guys ordering behind you, so let me know. Well, nothing's like it used to be.